Justin in Cowtown, setting the example. Thomas trying to be like Justin. Go, Lexi, go!
Thomas, show your hiney.
Looks like an action picture.
Woo! He made it all the way to the end. Okay, here goes. Oh Lord, how'd that feel? Good? Go, Lexi, go! Go!
Got a good entertainment there.
Okay, this is Justin's last turn. Lex, watch out. I think he's hurting. Oh, Lord. How'd that feel? Let me see your chest. Okay, let's see. Ouch. Little red, little rosy. So what do you think?
That's fun as heck.